Hello everyone. Okay, so in our previous class we have discussed about the reproduction in animals, isn't it? So in which reproduction is mainly of two kind. Reproduction through laying eggs and also reproduction by give birth to the young ones, isn't it? In which reproduction by laying eggs we have discussed, and also in the previous class we have discussed just about the what animals that give birth to young ones, that is reproduction by give birth to young ones, isn't it? Okay, today we are going to discuss more about this and also some examples. Okay, so today the topic is animals that give birth to young ones. Okay, so many animals give birth to the young ones, and also they feed milk. What they do? They feed milk. Okay, so that animals are generally called mammals. Okay, what they are called? They are called mammals. The animals which give birth to the young ones, and also they feed milk, they are called mammals. Mammals are like cat, dog, cow, tiger, lion, elephant, human being. They are all what? They are all mammals. Okay, and also in mammals reproduction, that is in the younger ones are developed in the inside the mother, and also after developing they came out after developing they came out. That process is called give birth, the birth. Okay, so animals that give birth to young ones, they are called mammals. Examples: cat, dog, cow, tiger, lion, elephant, and human beings. In some cases, we know that what is bat? It's a bird, isn't it? It's a bird. In the case of birds, we have studied that birds lay eggs for reproduction. But in the case of bat, it is a mammal. That is, it also give birth to the young ones. Okay. And also in the case of whales and dolphins, they are like fish. Whales and dolphins, they are like fish. We have studied that whales, fish are also lay eggs for reproduction. But in the case of whales and dolphins, they are also mammals. That is, whales and dolphins also give birth to the animals. Okay, and also these all mammals take care of their young ones. That is, they feed milk and also they protect them. Okay, so we are discussed in a small paragraph in that is most of the animals look after their young ones. Most of the animals look after their young ones till they old, and that is, they look after themselves. Okay, so that is mammals. All the animals take care of their young ones, and they feed food and they take care of their in the case of birds, what they do, they build nest. And also in the case of cockroach, they kept them in dark places, isn't it? So that's it. So, and also in the case of butterfly, they do, they lay eggs in the the underside of the leaves, isn't it? So that's all. In the case of that, in the case of all the animals, they protect their young ones. Okay, students, so this is our third unit, and thus our chapter is over here. Okay, so everyone have to read this chapter minimum of 5 times. Okay, so students, we are going to discuss exercises. Okay, so I'm going to read the exercise. So you have to do first 2 exercises in your textbook by itself. Okay, so the first question is tick the correct answers. Okay, I'm going to read the first question. The young ones of cockroaches are called, options are tadpoles, cocoons, nymphs and caterpillars. What is the answer? The young ones of cockroach. The answer is nymph. Okay. Third one, C is the answer. And the second question is, frogs are dash. Frogs are dash. Amphibians, fish, reptiles and mammals. Frogs are both, can live in water and land. Frogs are the animals that live both in water and land. They are called amphibians. So answer is A. And the third part, animals that give birth to young ones are called. Animals that give birth to young ones, what? They are called mammals. So there are four options: amphibian, second one is mammals. The answer is mammals, second option. Okay, you have to do it in your textbook. The fourth one, whales. Whales are what? Amphibians, mammals, reptiles and fish. And those, that is also mammals. Okay, so next is fill in the blanks. First question, the process by which chicks came out of the eggs is called dash. The process by which chicks came out of the eggs. What is it? The young one came out from the eggs. The process is called a hatching. What is called a hatching? Dash. The second question. A dash is the larva of a butterfly. A dash is the larva of a butterfly. The answer is caterpillar. Okay, the answer is caterpillar. And the third one. The egg of a frog hatch into dash. What into? That is tadpoles. What? Tadpoles. Okay. And the fourth question, dash are animals that give birth to young ones. I said so many times. So what are the animals which give birth to the young ones? Answer is mammals. So mammals are the animals that give birth to young ones. Okay. And the fifth question, mammals produce dash to feed their young ones. Mammals produce dash. What they produce? They produce milk. They produce milk. So the answer is milk. So these two exercises everyone have to write in your textbook. And there is exercise 3, that is the answer the following. Okay. Okay. So students, our first 3 chapters are over. So there will be a TP. There will be a TP on the next GS class. On the next GS class in the evening. Okay. Time must be 6:30 to 7:15. Okay. So everyone have to study well. The TP chapter is second chapter, adaptation in plants. Okay, everyone, prepare well. All the very best. Thank you.